Namaste everyone, myself Sagar Kumar. Today I am going to teach you how to reduce belly fat with the help of some yoga workout. So in this video we will discuss about it. So let's start. So before starting the video, if you are new in my channel, so please like, share and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for latest update. So let's begin. Your hand on the knee, your back should be straight, palm facing down, look forward and slowly close your eyes. Now take deep breath, inhale and long exhale. Take deep breath, inhale and long exhale. One more time, take a deep breath, inhale and long exhale. Now relax your whole body, relax your mind. Now slowly open your eyes. Now let's start. Inhale, raise your both hands up, look up. Your hands should be straight. Exhale, hands drop, look down. Inhale, interlock your finger, palm facing up, stretch your body, look up and stay here. Your both biceps connect to the ear. Your both hands should be straight and stay. 1, 2, 3. Your breathing continue. 4, 5 and 6. Now exhale, your hands stop, look down and stay here for 6 count. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Now look forward, your hands on the knee. Now inhale, raise your both hands up to the shoulder level. Your both hands straight, look forward. Now exhale, your hands stop, your palm on the mat, right side. Your right elbow should be straight. Lift your left hand up and look up. Feel the stretch on your left side muscles. Look up and stay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now inhale and exhale. This time drop your left elbow on the mat. Lift your right hand straight. Feel the stretch on your right side muscles and stay here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now inhale. Now this time drop your right elbow right side. Feel the stretch. Feel the more stretch on your left side muscles and lift your right hand up and stay here. 1, 2, but don't lift your left hip. Your left hip should be on the mat. 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now inhale. Exhale. This time drop your left elbow on the mat, your right hand up and look up. Your right hip on the mat and stay here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now inhale and exhale. Relax your hand. Now turn your body, your legs straight. Your heel together, toes together. Your back should be straight. Your both hands beside your body. Look forward. Your toe facing towards your side. Now inhale, raise your both hands up. Interlock your finger, palm facing up. Stretch your upper body, upper side from your lower back. And stay here. Look forward. Stay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now slowly bend your body forward. Exhale. Catch your toe from your middle and index finger. Look forward. Your back should be straight. And go completely forward. If you have back pain, so please avoid this posture. Look forward. And slowly first drop your elbow on the mat. Your stomach on the thigh. Your chest on your knee. And your forehead on your shin bones. If you can't go forward, then stay here. But your back should be straight. Go forward and stay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now inhale and exhale. Relax your hand. Now slowly bend your both knee, your both sole on the mat. Inhale, raise your both hands up and exhale your hand beside your body. Now feet together and raise your both leg up and stay here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Both hands up. Stay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Both hand up above the head. This is very challenging for you, but try to do as much as you can. 4, 5 and 6. And slowly relax your leg. Look forward. Now inhale, raise your both hands up. Exhale, your both hands behind your back. Finger towards your side. Now slowly lift your feet up and stay. Look up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now slowly inhale, hip drop and exhale, relax. Legs forward. Take your leg. Now slowly drop your elbow on the mat. Your shoulder and elbow should be in one line. Bend your both legs. Look forward. Now slowly lift your both leg up and right leg straight and then right leg bend, left leg straight and continue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Stay here. Your left leg straight, right leg bend. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now change your leg. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Now slowly bend your leg and relax your feet. Look forward. Feet together this time and lift your both leg up. Both legs straight and then bend your both leg. Straight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Stay here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now legs straight and stay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Bend your leg and relax your feet. Now this time feet together and lift your both leg up and leg straight and leg raising. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Stay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now slowly drop your leg up and completely lie down on your back. Now relax your body first. Inhale, raise your both hands up and exhale, relax. Now inhale, exhale, inhale. Now this time exhale, your head up. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale and stay here. 1, suck your tummy inside. 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now feet together and leg up. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Now bend your leg. Inhale, your hands up and exhale. Relax. Relax your whole body. Take normal breathing. Inhale and exhale. Now this time feet together, knees together. Now lift your right leg up. Your both knees together. Inhale and exhale. Stay here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now bend your leg. Inhale and exhale. Now this time lift your left leg up. Your both knees together. Inhale and exhale and stay here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now inhale and exhale. Relax your body. Now this time lift your right leg up and then left leg up and stay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now inhale and exhale. Stay here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now inhale and exhale. Relax your both legs. Now this time bend your left leg, your right leg up. Inhale and exhale. Stay here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now inhale and exhale. Relax your whole body. Now this time lift your hip up. Inhale and exhale. One more time. Inhale and exhale. Now your both legs straight, feet together. Now this time lift your right leg up. Inhale and exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. One more time. Inhale and exhale. Stay here. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Inhale and exhale. Relax your left leg. Now this time your right leg up. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. 2 more. Inhale, exhale. 1 more. Inhale and exhale. Stay here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now inhale and exhale. Relax your whole body. Relax your stomach. Inhale and exhale. Now this time your both feet together. Now inhale, you lift your both leg up and exhale. Stay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now inhale and exhale. Relax your both legs. Now bend your both legs. Your both hands up to the shoulder level by the side of your body. Now twist your body left side and look right side. Stay here for 6 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now inhale and exhale. Change the side. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Now inhale. Now hug your leg and slowly rock and roll. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So guys, don't forget to relax. You can relax at least 4 to 5 minutes after all the workout. And this is very good workout for your core. It makes your core more strong, so you can easily reduce your belly fat. So thank you for watching my video.